Hi, my name is Christine G, and I am going to be going over this problem from Module 4, number 14. So we have a golf association that requires balls to have a diameter of 1.68 inches. And we're asked to determine if golf balls conform to the standard. A random sample of golf balls is selected, and their diameters are shown in the accompanying data table. Do the golf balls conform to the standards? Use the alpha level of 0.01 for the level of significance. So this is going to be the population mean, and we are seeing if it is equal to 1.68 inches for the golf balls. And so then we're going to see if it's much significantly larger or smaller, then it doesn't meet the standard. So we're going to check that answer, and that looks good. And then we're asked to find the test statistics. So here is the sample, and then what we do is we click here to get it to open in StatCrunch because we want to find the test statistic, and we have a sample of 12, it looks like. So we go Stat, T-Stats, and this is a one sample, and with the data, we don't have the summary, like we don't have the standard deviation and different things that we would see in the summary details. So here we just need to switch this over to 1.68. Oh, I'm sorry, we selected our variable, and that's the diameter in inches. And then we have our hypothesis test set up, so now we can compute it. And we get the test statistic is 0.75 when we round to two decimal places, so we just put that in there. 75. Oh, there we go. And then that looks good. And then we're going to find the p-value. So I think I lost it, so I will open it up again and put the information in. So we go to Stat, T-Stats, one sample with the data, and then we select the column that has the data, the diameter in inches, and then we have 1.68 inches for them all, and that the population mean is equal to 1.68, and then the alternative hypothesis is that it does not equal 1.68 inches. So our p-value is 0.47. Oh, no, it's like three places, so 0.468. All right, that looks good. Okay, and then this we have to decide whether we should reject or not. And we're looking at the alpha level of 0.01. So that would be, that's the area on the curve that would be way down in the tails. So that is very low, and then we have this very high p-value of this is close to the middle, this area. So we would absolutely not reject. So we do not reject. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the golf balls do not conform. No, that's not right, because we can't reject. So do not reject. There is not sufficient evidence to conclude that the golf balls do not conform to the association standards at the alpha level of 0.01 level. So that looks on track. And we check that answer. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for watching. And, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I want to help you to be successful. So thanks so much. Have a